Time for a real quick story as well, you're going to love this. So I was renting a second garage in my hometown, just a crappy council garage where we started. Go back to my first videos, you'll see it. Now bear in mind the lighting in here is pretty terrible because it's just a standard run-of-the-mill garage. Kept it there as storage pretty much the whole time. So I just jacked the garage in, there's no point me paying like £80 a month for that piece of crap. You know, when I got this glorious place instead. So anyway, I handed my notice in, it's 4 weeks notice that you have to do. And went there a week later to go and empty the thing, and they changed the locks. They broke into the garage, changed all the locks without telling me, no phone calls, nothing. So obviously I turned out like, why is my key not working? Panicking. Called them up, they couldn't find any actual knowledge of the garage for some reason. No systems, and they were like, oh yeah, you know, we'll get back to you. About an hour later, give me a call back saying, yeah, the garage, we thought it was abandoned. So I thought to myself, I got a motorbike in there, I got all sorts of stuff in there. They probably scrapped it. The lady on the phone wasn't even sure. She was like, I'm not sure, they probably would have done. Luckily, it wasn't. So I had to go for the hassle, go and get the new keys for the garage, the old garage, technically. Go and open it up, emptied it. Luckily, they hadn't actually bothered to touch anything in there. It was a bit of a mess, but you know, still didn't throw anything away. So I had to get everything moved out of there. I couldn't do it because I'm half crippled. So you know, hassle. Had to get that all sorted out, moved it all back. And I was told then when I handed the keys in, don't worry about the last payment. It's kind of a goodwill gesture. We're all good. Guess who got a phone call? You owe us blah 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 amount of money, outstanding balance. Crazy. So I've had to, you know, try and argue for that. So new moral of another story is don't trust local councils because they just suck ass.